This is how to curl your box braids. First of all, you need to braid your hair into a section, 4 or 5 sections. Okay, this is my section. And then you need boiling water. So you're gonna let it boil for 2 minutes until it starts having bubbles at the top. Okay, I think that's all. And you also need a towel. This is a clean towel, because if you don't use a clean towel, your hair might mess up. Okay, let's get started. Hair. Let it sit for 2 minutes. Have your towel in your hand. Spoon. Take it out. Put your hair like this, wipe it in the towel, and dab it.
Are you crazy?
Bring it. It's on new. Next Friday at 9.
So then you unbraid it.
Diana, can I speak with you for a moment, please? Outside.
Well, Star and Scott were cut, so I just want to talk to Diana and convince her that the twins have what she is looking for. That's all.
Well, I know the twins didn't make cuts, but I came up with the perfect idea. Let them try out again. And that's it.
Okay, well, you of all people, Dr. Sanjay's been on the squad, know that cuts are cuts. It's like when you cut somebody's arm off, you can't sew it back on. Cuts are final. That's the rules of the dollhouse. It's the rules of the team. Always has been, always will be.
You know what, Diana? Do you even know the difference between the twins? Do you know who Star is and who Sky is?
I don't. They look just alike. They dance just alike. They act just alike. Both of them nonchalant. Don't give a damn about nothing.
This is ridiculous. You've been coaching them for 2 whole years. You're supposed to know which child is which. Especially when you're going through cuts. You don't want to cut the wrong child. I guess you just